We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, lane departure warning, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.